Welcome to the world of Himalayan pink salt, one of the purest salts on Earth. Found deep within the majestic mountains of the Himalayas, this natural wonder has been forming over millions of years. Rich in minerals and full of natural benefits, Himalayan pink salt is known for its unique pink color and incredible purity. In this video, we will take you through the entire process of how Himalayan pink salt is extracted, crafted, and transformed into the final product you use every day. The journey of Himalayan pink salt begins deep in the heart of the mountains. Here, skilled miners carefully extract salt from ancient, untouched caves. These salt deposits, formed millions of years ago, have remained pure and protected from pollutants. The mining process involves carefully digging and chiseling through the rock to gather large salt blocks, while ensuring minimal disruption to the environment. Once the salt is mined, it is carefully transported and loaded onto trucks for further processing. Workers load these massive blocks of salt onto trolleys, ready to be taken to the processing facility. This stage is essential for safely moving the salt to the next phase, ensuring its preservation and integrity before it undergoes any further treatment. At the processing facility, the massive salt blocks are carefully unloaded and cut into smaller, manageable pieces. Skilled craftsmen use specialized tools to cut and shape the salt into its final form. Whether it's for salt lamps, bricks, or cooking slabs, each piece is precisely cut to meet specific requirements. The cutting process ensures that every piece is uniform and free from impurities. After the salt is shaped, it undergoes the final stages of cleaning and refinement. The salt is then carefully packed, ready for use in a variety of products. Whether it's used for culinary purposes, home decor, or wellness products, Himalayan pink salt is versatile and highly valued for its unique properties. From its ancient origins in the Himalayas to its careful crafting into beautiful, functional products, Himalayan pink salt is a true marvel of nature. It's not just a seasoning, it's a way to bring purity, natural beauty, and health benefits into your home. Visit www.pinksaltwall.com to explore our range of Himalayan pink salt products and bring the magic of nature into your life.